I'm visiting from Washington, D.C. and I have an emergency. I just dropped and cracked my iPhone screen. Can you tell me where in Dallas I can go to fix it? Hi Mr. President. The best iPhone repair place in town is iFix-Galleria. They offer free quotes, and repairs come with a 90-day warranty and most repairs take 15 to 20 minutes. Where is iFix-Galleria and do you have their phone number? Actually I do. The phone number is 97223297775. iFix-Galleria is attached to the Galleria Mall. They are located inside the Galleria Tower on the 10th floor. Thank you young man. You might have just saved the nation.